This is their second dose of catnip. Look at them. Roxy Moo just got her first. That's her. 14 years old. Josie just got her second dose. Going to town. He's going to town. He's usually very antisocial. That's my daughter's cat. Not my cat. He's not this friendly and yeah, he's definitely not an extrovert. And then Miyagi's just peeping him out. And Catnip on the floor. Now Josie done aggravated Roxy Mo, so she went the hell on. Roxy Meow. Roxy Meow. Anyway, what you doing, little girl? Look at these two. They was about to fight like 2 minutes ago, right before I started recording. Now they roly-polies on the floor. Catnip. Girl, what you doing? Watch, I'm going to act like I'm a petter. I'm going to act like it. Oh my God, Mom. Yes, Mom. Oh my God, yes, pet me. Oh my God, yes, pet me. Right here, Mom. I'm going to lay down. I'm going to roll over. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Start here, Mom. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, right here. Wait, you didn't do it right. Mr. Miyagi and Shiloh. Look at Josie being nosy. Nosy Josie. Oh. Playing peekaboo. She's eating more catnip on the wall. A little jealous Josie. Josie! You better leave Roxy Mo alone. She is a geriatric elderly person. Cat. Girl, go on. Go ahead, Roxy Mo. You're good. Come on. No, you get away. Roxy, there's two other ones. Come here. Oh, y'all done scared Roxy Mo. Here. You can lick your little thing. Ain't nobody gonna bother you. You can rub your face on it and everything. Look at these crazy cats. It's okay, Roxy Mo. Look at them. Whoa. Now she feels safe. She can finish doing what she was doing. And then lick the bottom of her foot. Yeah. Shiloh. Okay.